This lovely Aotearoa Kiwi journal is very proudly made in New Zealand, made from bamboo, made by some really talented creators. Inside you've got clear paper. It's really good quality, so you could write in this, you could draw in this, just use it to be creative or record your innermost thoughts. And then even when you've filled it up, you can replace it with any other A5 journal that is to your liking. It'll fit in here, and away you go on your next one. But then you'll always be able to keep that beautiful cover.